Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. If your iPhone speaker is not working, or the sound is distorted, very low, or not coming at all, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you easy and effective ways to fix it. Fix 1. Check silent mode and volume first. Make sure your iPhone is not on silent mode. Check the side switch and the volume level. Increase the volume using the volume buttons or control center. Fix 2. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart fixes speaker issues. Press and hold the power button, slide to power off, then turn it back on. Fix 3. Disconnect Bluetooth devices. If your iPhone is connected to AirPods or Bluetooth speakers, the sound will go there instead of your phone speaker. Go to Settings Bluetooth and disconnect any devices. Fix 4. Check for dust or debris. Inspect the speaker grills for dust, lint, or debris. Clean them carefully using a soft brush or compressed air. Do not insert sharp objects into the speaker. Fix 5. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS. Updates often fix software-related speaker issues. Fix 6. Reset all settings. If the problem persists, go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. This resets settings without deleting your data and can fix software conflicts affecting the speaker. Important warning: if the speaker still doesn't work after all these steps, it might be a hardware problem. Visit an authorized Apple Service Center for repair. That's it. These steps should help fix iPhone speaker not working problem. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Guide Pro for more easy iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching.